So we about to install a Dragonworks chip on a 2021 K5. So let's see if it make a difference. I'll give a nice review, a nice install, but I'll be happy if it just makes the throttle respond a little faster, to be honest. That's the only thing that really lacks on this car. Now this ain't the GT, it's the GT line, so it's only 180 horsepower supposedly. You know, the GT is 290, 300 if I'm not mistaken. So, I mean, I just want to see if this works. I don't need horsepower again, I just need this throttle response. I know a lot of people gonna be like, you know, get a pedal commander. So let's see what we get for 60 bucks though. Right now the chip is not installed. I'm running on sports mode. Might do a little run real quick just to see the before and after, I guess we could say. Let's see. Let's do a quick little run. No cops. Let's see what the, oh, there go a cop right there. Gotta wait. So there's a cop up there. We're gonna wait a second. We're gonna do a quick 60 run and see what it run like. Or let's see how I pick up, better said. See the throttle shift and everything, so let's see what it look like after we put the Dragonworks chip on. So this is the 2021 K5, chilling with my man Street Gold. I'm waiting for President of Legion F1 to come here. I love these lights. Love these, I think they called pulse or heartbeat lights or something like that, but love these lights. The rims, beautiful. Well done, Kia. The car is dirty. It's been raining the last couple days. Now I added the visor guards. It's sent 5 all around for anybody curious. Now the only thing I did change I didn't like was the halogen turner signal. I got some LEDs instead. Turn the hazards on for me real quick, bro. And I just think they look so much better with LEDs on. Turn all the lights on. License plate. Overall, out of 10, styling, I get a car. I gotta give it an 8. I love it, especially again that heartbeat, those projector headlights, projector fog lights. And that whole front grille, crazy. So we're gonna do the Dragonworks install now, and let's see if it makes a difference. So this is the Dragonworks performance chip. More horsepower, more torque, more fuel economy, faster acceleration, faster turbo spool up. I want to see that much more. 70 bucks I pay for this. And we'll see if it works. They're saving 30 days, it don't work, just send it right back. So hope I get my money back. But this thing is small. Now one of the things I was concerned about was the light does stay on, the chip LED does stay on. They got like a serial code and all that, ECU, OBD power, but the lights of the LED stay on. And I was thinking, all right, is it gonna drain the battery? And on the manual itself, it says that it won't drain the battery. So I don't know how realistic that is, but we're gonna follow all the instructions. We're gonna do it properly. If I can get it open. So LEDs, blah blah blah. Pull the car key out from the ignition. So I guess we can't install it because I don't have a car key. So I guess I gotta send it back. Find the OBD2 connector located in your vehicle and plug in the performance chip. Let's see what it is. It should be right here. There you go. Alright, you can see it's lit up. And again, it's a 2021 Kia K5. It says insert the key into the ignition and turn to the on position. Motor not running. but gauges on. Do not start the vehicle. So, gonna push to start, accessory, get the system checked. This has allowed 15 seconds for the chip to establish a connection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and don't mind the dirt. I actually work. It says start your engine for 10 seconds and you're all done. So 25 seconds, I guess. Now, thing is, are we gonna get a check engine light? What's gonna happen as soon as we start the car? It's been longer than 30 seconds already, so let's turn it on, let's see what happens. I ain't gonna lie to you, this is gonna sound really, really stupid, but it idles a little rough. Like, you can feel it, and you can see the needle move up and down, like just a little bit from, I'm assuming from the turbo spool up. And it's actually, it feels so much smoother right now. Now this just could be like an imagination thing. It's probably not doing anything, who knows, but it says we got to drive it for 60 miles before we get the full all-out performance, but, you know, throttle response is going to be important. And let's find out. Let's see what happens. Let's get it. Let me stop it. All right. So we're going to take it for a test run real quick. We're going to do that not 0 to 60, but we just going to see how it feels. Let's take it for a quick spin real quick. Again, it takes like 60 miles, they say. So you can see how it really feels or whatever, or so that the ECU can adjust, or whatever the case might be. I don't know how this electronic stuff works, but we just gonna see if I can feel any difference myself. Right now it's in normal mode. I was driving up here in sport mode, so we'll put it in sport in a second. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, right now the tires are probably wet, but I just felt like they spun. So it could be a torque difference, but it's still too early to tell. And at the engine brake, 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty, you know what I mean? But nobody snitched me the fuck out either, don't draw. Motherfuckers like to draw. Yeah, I know that guy, that's the guy that fucked up his engine. I mean, right now, it feel, I don't know, it feel like a little bit more torquey and horsepowery, but yo, you can talk, mama. You don't gotta stay quiet.
I'm focused right now, yo, because I got the shakes. And then you be like, yo, what's up with the boy in the camera? He got Tourette's.
Let's put it in sport mode. I mean, I can feel something, but it could just be like your imagination sometimes. So, I mean, I kind of feel a little bit of difference, but I'm not gonna know until I really drive it in sport mode. And we see like what it do when I go from 0 to 60. I think normally it's like 9 seconds. Or like if I did the pool I did earlier.
Oh, spotted.
That BMW, right?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like that. It's tacky and it works. It looked like a BM Mustang, a B Mustang.
The stripes been brought
Look,
to by all
BMW, want a B Mustang.
Oh shit.
WBM. So let's see if it really give you more. Again, I ain't even driving a whole mile yet. But the car's been on all this time. If this chip really working, you should start feeling something right away. So we'll see in a minute. Turn this traction control off too, because that shit sucks. That's another thing I hate about this Kia is the traction control. I don't like the traction control. That shit fuck you up, man. Especially when you're trying to hit it hard. I was at 20 on the last one. The same. I think, I mean, if I could feel something that's small, it ain't nothing crazy, because even like the throttle response is a little bit better. I'll give it that much. It's a little bit better. Let's bust this U-turn real quick. See what we can do. We can go iffy. I mean, if we had a dyno, it'd probably be a lot easier to tell, obviously. Everything feel the same to me. I don't feel no difference in throttle response right now. Let me put it back in normal mode, see if it make a difference. I don't know, bro. Like, if this chip is doing anything, it's not. It ain't that major unless it really do take like a lot of time or that many miles for it to really adjust. But at this point, to me, it ain't that crazy. At least we don't gotta check engine light though. That's one good thing. Let's make this left real quick. Now I will give you this. In normal mode, there's the delay is like gone. I'll definitely give them that. I feel like there's not a delay anymore in the normal mode. So like, do I gotta put it in sport mode when I like go to turn it on or like go to do that? Maybe. I don't know. What we gotta give it 60 miles. Like maybe when we do this drive around the airport or something, like it'll probably like tune or whatever. But at this point, would I tell anybody to go spend $70 on it? Not right this second, not at this point. I'm not a fan right now. But again, maybe I gotta drive it a couple miles as it says so it could adjust or whatever, but still. What was it? Lou got the pedal commander, right? So he said he felt instant response difference, of course. So we out here chilling down by the airport.
Oh shit, what's that?
What's what?
Somebody's standing over there.
The fuck is it? Yo, bro, where you just came from, bro? Where you just came from, bro? Esta. Bright light. How it go? Red light. I be talking mad shit about people on YouTube. I be like, damn, why they don't hold the camera steady and shit? I get it. It be cold outside, bro.
Nasty shit too.
You know what I mean? We got a winner. Nope. Yep.
There's a couple in there. There's a couple in there. On the way down here, she hit one that had $30.
So, yeah, I mean, in the Puerto Rican household, this is how we do it. Bendición.
Diga.
De pa'l carajo, men. Ay, papel de toilet no hay. Se lo llevó Trump. You wanted to what?
Or like a
Ay, my goodness.
I wanted to take my catch cam out and throw out the oil on the floor.
This is what you do to camera shy people. You be like this. You be like, what's up, bro? Hello? Oh, my goodness. Bright light. Alright, so let's check that 0 to 60 time again. I don't know how many miles I drove, but I'll do the math later. But now we're gonna see, and I'm gonna leave the traction control on just to see what it do. See if it get up to 60 faster. So let's see. So, I mean, again, it does something, but it's still a little too early to determine. If it almost feels like it over revs it a little bit, but we're gonna see. But I got the squad with me behind me, so Time to play. Like, subscribe, share. Cars and Fan, check us out on the gram as well.